Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell stock on Fidelity NetBenefits. Log into NetBenefits, complete two-step authentication, then navigate to Accounts and Open Positions to find the holding you want to sell. Choose Sell, enter the number of shares or a dollar amount, select Market or Limit Order, set time in force, and review estimated proceeds and any fees. Submit the order and save the confirmation for your records. Choosing the right order type helps control execution and cost. Use market orders for speed when you accept current price, and limit orders when price certainty matters. Consider time and force options like day or GTC to match your strategy and risk tolerance. Verify the estimated price, potential fees, and whether partial fills may occur. Adjust orders if market conditions change and monitor execution until the trade settles. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making clear trading walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: Little Trees Black Ice is a fun way to keep your car smelling clean after stressful market sessions or long commute research. I like it for a little refresh in my ride. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After your sell order executes, settlement usually completes on a T+2 basis, so proceeds become available after 2 business days. Keep confirmations and account statements for accurate record keeping and cost basis tracking. Watch for wash sale rules if you repurchase similar securities within 30 days. You will receive Form 1099 for dividends and capital gains, which you should use when preparing taxes or working with your tax advisor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.